Like in Rumpelstiltskin.
Yeah, something like that.
Or you can use different things.
See it twisting?
Yeah.
I can make it like thick, like that, or I can get it really fine.
And then she's turning it into thread. Showing how to spin the wool. The mayor came and had a photo opportunity pretending he was spinning. The mayor. And it turns into that.
Don't care, my friend made a jump. Come back for one friend and jump for another.
Yeah, that's right.
It was a case of,
Nose.
it was a case of she didn't want to
So when she says carding, what we do is take it from the fleece and then we comb it out. So once we comb it out, get a lot of the particles out.
Yeah.
Sometimes I can't be bothered, but get most of that out and then we spin it. We take the fleece and then we spin it to create the yarn. And then from different yarns, we do like different, this is the one ply, and then we can do a two ply, two yarns together, and you get different textures or a different twist.
So do you do this normally?
Yeah.
You do. So when you do this, how does it go from here to this? Is this
Yeah,
it?
this is
You're going to
it.
show us?
Yeah. And just comb this out. Yeah, I've seen when and see, like with this sheet has got like a lot of twist in it, so I keep that, so it gives it character to the
Alright, so you don't want it to just be smooth,
It's not, because it has got a natural twist, so sometimes it's good to keep it.
Yeah, okay.
And then we roll it like this, and it's called a roll lag. So when you go to the next stage, which is this now.
So you attach it. And step back a little. And this is a spinning wheel? What
This is a spinning wheel, yeah.
Like in Rumpelstiltskin.
Yeah, something like that.
or you can use different things.
See it twisting?
Yeah.
I can make it like thick, like that, or I can get it really fine, like that.
Okay. And it collects onto this
Yeah, it attaches to the wheel, to the spindle.
See how it's working with our
So you can just get different, you can get twists, you can get notches. But when you look at this yarn,
Bags like this.
Yeah, it took a while to get through it. Maybe we better go because Daddy and Albert are over here. Thank you.
You're welcome.
you can create like little loops like this.
Okay, so it gives it character.
Yeah. So all these are like, you can make into different textures.
Yeah.
And different yarns you can mix together and you get different textures as well.